Okay, I guess I'll be here. Why not? A little bigger. Hurricane watch cam. Oh dear God. Danger, Will Robinson. Okay. Display capture. And then move that one. There. There. Streamlabs. Crop. Window capture. Hold down the Alt key. Oh, fuck yeah. Let me make it bigger first. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, let's crop this. Doop. Doop. Probably this too, why not? I don't know if that's up to date now. Oh dear God, the tabs. Let's just close whatever the fuck these are. I didn't even have video playing. Wins again. Yeah, I know, right? There were a few gusts in there that was like, oh damn. If this is sustained when it like really becomes what's going on, it won't be good. The fence was definitely kind of wiggling when I was out there. There was this one gust. I was like, damn. That made the fence kind of move. If we lose like many fence panels, that would be unfortunate. Why do I have whatever that was? Where did it go? I can just for sure do that. Can you hear it? Like in my microphone, the bars are certainly moving with the sound a bit, so it must be audible. I'm a little concerned about that grill. What do you think about that grill? I thought about going out there and bringing it into Lanai so it's at least out of the wind somewhat. It's real heavy. It's fucking heavy. So it's really more so that the cover just blows off. Oh my god, my computer is so lagged right now. I closed that shit. I just hit close on it. Whatever this shit is. Why is there a hotel ad up on my computer? Fucking pop up somehow. I managed to make a pop up that's not fucking willing to close. Refresh my results then. Oh dear God. Oh dear God, why did I click it? Control Alt Delete. Task Manager. it's trying to make me get a hotel. Wonder if any of these things are obvious. Oh, I can literally only close all of it at once. There's gotta be. None of it's named. They're not named. What the fuck? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. That wind. I might be out of herb for a couple days. Should have got an 8th at least or something. I could have gone. They started closing at like noon. I was a little surprised. I don't feel comfortable posting my stream on my Facebook. I'm like, oh, people are gonna judge me that I'm sharing this hurricane and not like being more of a family member and being present and doing the X, Y, and Z that they think I should be doing. And so that I'm sharing this stream, they're gonna think this, that, and the other thing. So I just put it on Twitch where like it's just hidden. It's like, yeah, it's just kind of sad that I don't feel even comfortable to. Where is this? Let's see. Maybe I'll hit refresh. What is now? Now is 125. So if I refresh this, this should be more now. Play. There we go. I had to refresh it. It's a little small, I guess. Oh my God, it's just like fucking jumping around. Maybe I'll actually let it play through a little bit. Let it catch the full video. Maybe that'll help. It didn't seem to be doing that jumping thing before. Let's see. Just looking at it. I guess I should be more focused on Bradenton. I put a little me. Me. Arrow. Okay, in the meantime. Shallygrams. This one is mind-boggling. I'm not sure that it's real, but I literally have to take a picture of this. If I haven't already. Oh, let's see. Did I do this one? Nope. Nope. 41A. That wind out there, god darn. make this a little smaller. It feels too big when it's past the past that bar. It was saying on the news that we were only getting like 70 gusts at the most in Bradenton about 20 minutes ago. It might be pushing that right now. 70, 80. It's supposed to be a category 3 at its peak here, which is probably what, like 120, 110. I should message this person and be like, could you please just take more pictures of all of these and send me all in video and send it all to me always. Especially this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh my god. How is the power still on? I might have seen this one. Bravo, kudos to the power system to even be functioning right now. I don't think I've taken a picture of this one, but maybe. It's real similar to a lot of them if I have not. They tend to do this too a lot where they have this. It's almost like it's cutting through. Like the spiraling energy in the blob started to cut through the outer edge of the blob and created this like ridges. Let's go to maybe, which one's the best one of this? Maybe that one. They're all pretty much the same, maybe. I'm not sure if they're any different whatsoever in those. Except that one. I might have taken this one after seeing that angle. Let's see. Save as. There it is. I've done it. Okay. Did this one. Whoa. It's very common for them to be at the edge, near the edge. What the fuck? Wow. And that one looks geometric, dude. Holy shit. It's hard to see on the screen that I have it as. Let me blow this up. Fucking straight up. Geometric. Hexagon type branching off. What? 2A. That's incredible, dude. What? I hope my power doesn't go out. I want to make this smaller again. Okay. Really shows the straight lines of the bending. Especially near the center, and then it kind of tapers off to a more just straight up curve, which is probably revealing as all fuck. Immediately publishing them. These four. The way it has ridges there. What? Like they branch off of the hexagon. Holy shit. My Twitter is just a feed of these things. I don't know how long this is gonna go on, but probably a while. They're fucking out of control. Oh, that poor tree. I saw it was definitely splitting. Like there's probably at least a foot of split at the top where it's just pulling it apart as the wind blows it. I'm gonna have to, when it's all said and done, go out there and clip that piece off. I wonder if I could literally heal it. Like put some of that like root, take root type of stuff, and then like tape it together and see if it forms a bond with itself without actually removing the limb. Because its shape is now, it really looks though like it's way more stable. Like it lost a portion of its mass to become more stable. I'll have to see what the outcome is, or if this tree even makes it. fuck, man? If I can, it looks kind of like it has like a exactly a 120 from the going up and then over, and then like another 120, like a. This tree is teaching me things about the flows of energy. It was unable to handle itself, so it literally split off a chunk from the top and just kind of plopped it down lower at a lower point. Now the tree itself is just hanging out in this wind, when before it was way more just literally leaning to the side. I mean, it's crazy. I think it's legitimately something that happened, like some energy balance that when it fell like that. I'm like, dude, what if there's some truth in this tree's separation process? Oh, damn. It's getting windy out there. Dear God. Now, according to this thing, now is 15 minutes ago. Looks like the worst is the next 40 minutes, according to this. Like, coming up the next 40 minutes. We're up here. Somewhere here. That's 60. We're probably like here. Around here somewhere. Yeah. So 330, 340, 350. The next hour and a half. It's passing. Oh shit, look at it. It's calm. Check it out, guys. Look how calm it is. Just go out there. La, la, la. Oh, look, the wind's coming. I gotta go. You see the trees blowing in the distance? Go fly a kite. I don't know where to put all these things. I guess I could use a big screen of my screen. And then move the hurricane. Above it. And over here. For now. It's too small. Okay, not that. Let's keep it. Move this over. I guess. It just kind of widened it to be like exactly where the screen ends. Bastards, crazy bastards surfing. Oh, I couldn't even fucking fathom. Yeah, dude, oh my god, if the fence starts going, I'm gonna be sad. I'll be real sad. Something like that. Maybe. And then I guess I should have it. Oh damn, power flickered. I wanna stop record.